Hello YouTube. Realtek is back with another great video, and today's video is about how to enable or restore back the missing power plan options in Windows operating system. So when you try to open the power options on your Windows operating system, it will show you it's missing. Here, let's open the power option under the control panel. So under the control panel, let's make it large icons. And here we found the power options. And under the power options, if you are missing, for example, balanced, high performance, and other options are here, power saver, and different options would be their ultimate performance, power saver, balanced, and high performance options would be missing from your power options. So if you want to get back all those power plans, then the method that we are going to use is copy paste this command is under the CMD. So now let's click on the search icon to open the CMD. Then type here CMD and here the command prompt. Then right click on it and select Run as Administrator. So after the CMD open, then to get the high performance mode, then copy the first command, which is power CFG, duplicate this one. So copy and paste it here. So here it says the high performance mode is added. Then let's proceed to the ultimate performance again. Copy this one and paste it here and press enter. Then the ultimate performance added. Then power saver, again we are going to mark the command, which is copy and paste it here, enter, and power saver added, and the final one balanced. So again I'm going to mark this one and select copy and paste it here and press enter. Then balanced power plan mode is added to your power options. So I'll put this notepad on the description box. And now let's open the power option, which is by typing control panel here, the control panel. So after we add that, then go to here power options, and you will find here under the drop down arrow, click on the drop down arrow, and here balanced, high performance, power saver, ultimate performance are added to your power options or power plan options. So this is the method on how you can add power plan settings under your Windows. So if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe, and give me comments on the comment section. Please press the bell button to get or to be notified while I upload new videos. Thank you for watching. Realtek out.